Hello, sir. How are you?
Oh, hello, hello. How are you?
Yeah, I am fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm all right, thank you.
Thank you so much for joining with us, sir. Mr. Maruf and me, we are teammate, and we have a big digital marketing agency, and we doing YouTube SEO related work for all over the world. And we found you, and we hope that we already audited your YouTube channels, and we found some problems, and we hope that if you can solve that problem, then your channel will grow very fast. We think. So at
Oh,
first, we want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen, sir?
yeah, sure. You can, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Just a minute, sir. And for YouTube SEO, we have two services. One is YouTube SEO, and another is YouTube video promotion by Google Ads. So at first, YouTube video SEO is the organic method. We will do YouTube video SEO. We will do YouTube title optimization, description optimization, and we will research high volume rank tag for your videos. And when we put the high volume rank tag to your videos, then your video will go top on search. When someone search related to your videos, then your videos will go top, and this is the organic method, but it works slowly. It takes sometimes 2 to 3 weeks to get results, sir. And another one is Google Ads. You can run paid campaign with Google Ads, and you will get instant result with this paid method. So, sir, which one do you choose, sir?
Well, the thing is, you said like the YouTube SEO, which is the organic one.
Yeah,
And what's the effects of Google Ads as well?
there is no side effect of Google Ads, but it is paid method. When you choose Google Ads, then you have to pay Google for your ads. Then Google will show your videos in front of thousands of people, because we are you have to pay the Google. But YouTube SEO is organic method. You no need to pay anything to YouTube or Google.
Okay, okay.
And
And
SEO.
also, as you saw that, we started uploading from since 1 month, I think. So, I mean, some of them going very well, but some of them, I don't know what happened from a couple of weeks. It's just, like something happened and it's not getting a proper reach. And, but the thing is, as I said to you, like we are constantly and consistently developing what we can do, and we're just taking off the AI voiceover as well, and we hired the female voiceover for some, we can show the emotions and stuff like that for development and more engaging, to engage the people. And if what method you gonna suggest me or prefer?
Okay.
Like, is it a YT SEO or a Google Ads? What will be working for us?
Okay, sir. Most of our client choose the first method, SEO. SEO means search engine optimizations. So I think SEO would be better for you, as you making quality content, and as you effort so much to your channels. And we hope channel quality or content quality is very good, but your videos are not getting views because of you are not doing proper SEO. I think if you upload your videos continuously, and if you do SEO for your video, then I hope your video will grow gradually.
So just to add that note, like we do normally weekly 4 videos consistently. We got a team as well, and we upload day after day, which is the videos, and we like consistently. There is no gap as well. But what happened on a couple of weeks before, like we just didn't upload it for some reasons, like copyrights or something, and we didn't upload for 4 or 5 days, and that's the gap. Is just the graph bombarded on the ground, and from that way it is like getting back again now. But um yeah, that's the only reasons, as I said to you. I
Okay,
just
okay, I see, I
explained
see.
all the
Yeah,
story.
yeah, yeah. I see, sir. Clear us when we can start our project, sir.
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna straight away contact him and I'm gonna call him anyway.
Okay, then payment method, or when you start the project, then everything you can discuss with Muhammad Maruf.
Okay, okay, got it.
Thank you, sir, so much for your time, and hope to work with you for a long time, sir.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much for your meeting as well. And
Thank you, sir.
surely